Today, I wanted to tell you about this safety switch. It's a product you can install on your condensate drain line of your HVAC system. Comes with everything in this one kit. You can connect it to the red or yellow wire. And the way it works, it's a reed switch, float switch that floats up. If the water starts to back up in your condensate drain line, it'll shut the unit off. That way you don't have to worry about condensate water overflowing out of the pan and creating property damage. It can be installed vertically or horizontally. Great safety product.